Hello, my name is Sandra Flechas, and today I will introduce you to my best friend, making a presentation about my best friend. She is my best friend. Her name is Andrea Ariza. We have been friends for 20 years. We have been friends for as long as I can't remember, and we have almost never traveled. She is very sociable and entertaining. I love her very much. My friend likes to work. She also likes to study a lot, and she likes to go for a walk to the river every Sunday. Likes to go out to eat and drink beer after a stressful day at work. But what he really does like is getting up early in the morning, and he does like to work on weekends either. When I was little, my friend often went to the park to eat ice cream. Sometimes we could also swim in the pool. She liked to play with her dolls very much. She invited me to her house for a snack. She could play. She had fun, and he didn't worry about anything. anything. He could always sleep late, and he could watch cartoons. Could also swim in the pool. She liked to play with her doll very much. She invited me to her house for a snack. She could play. She had fun, and he didn't worry about anything. He could always sleep late, and they could watch cartoon. Thank you. But now she can sleep late because she had to go to work. She can't watch TV late at night because she has to get up early the next day. She can't go to the gym because she don't have time. Now we can go to the pool together, or we can have a snack together. But there is another thing my friend can do, and that is smile like when we were kids.